we are here. This project we need to finish now because already sanding by dry sanding. Okay. It's already sanding. Okay, using by the grit of 60, 80 to 100. Okay, it's already sanding. Okay, so for now we need to finish this now. Okay, to complete same plate, same color of the bumper. So, so advise to you that we need to finish now before it's dark. So because we use this in Regina next week, so we need to complete the color of the bumper. See, it's already. We need to swipe, wiping rugs. Okay, this area. Okay, finish this first coating to second coating. Okay, put some tape again to the other side.